Today's shade is called Queen of Queens. I do get a free Nailtopia polish every month to try out, and this is the one I got for June. As usual, I am using base coat under all the polish, and I will link that in the description. In case you haven't heard of Nailtopia, they are a plant-based nail polish, and I actually really like them. Most of the other ones that I've tried have been opaque in 2 coats, so we'll see how this one is. They have flat brushes with rounded tips, and that makes it easier for getting in close to your cuticles. They used to be sold at Ulta, and I don't think Ulta's selling them anymore. They have some of the multi-kits, but they don't have the single ones anymore. But that's okay, because I have a link to the Nailtopia website. So if you're interested in this polish, if you're interested in plant-based polishes, that you can get these there. I think Walgreens had them too, but I'm not actually sure if Walgreens still has them. I don't know if it was like a one-time thing. I didn't see it at the one Walgreens that I went to. But this is a nice peach color. Here is the second coat. It looks like 2 coats might do it. Now this is kind of like a peach, like an orangey peach color, and I don't really think it's coming out accurate over the camera. And what I'm seeing is not good. I'm not sure how to get it to come out its own color, but sorry about that. It is a very pretty color, and if I can get some good pictures, maybe I can get sometimes I can get more accurate colors in the pictures. I will just stick them in here so you can see the color, the true color. Now I'm going to do some fun, easy summer nail art. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make a palm tree. So it's really simple. You just start out with the trunk and then just kind of make some curved lines coming out. And then from the curved lines, just go in and make some little lines coming down. You have to work a little bit faster. You gotta kind of clean off your brush in between. not too bad. There. Pretty good. I let it dry for about 5-10 minutes to make sure it's good and dry, and then I'm going to go in with a no smudge top coat. I'm using Maniology. I'll link it below. Just because I want to make sure that my hand-drawn design does not smudge. Otherwise, that would be bad. This usually dries pretty quick, so I'm just going to wait a few minutes until it's dry. Now I'm going to go in with my favorite long-lasting top coat. This is the finished mani. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're not one of my subscribers, consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.